We've spoken to the experts and are bringing you the best tips on buying a used appliance or extend the life of one you already have. So why buy a second-hand appliance?
So if you buy a second-hand appliance, it's going to cost you less money, and also that money is actually going to get you a potentially better product. As long as you are maintaining them correctly, getting them repaired when they need to be repaired, and you're just basically keeping them out of the waste stream, it means you're basically keeping them active for longer, which means a lower carbon footprint.
Expensive items that have a long life, such as TVs, fridges and washing machines, can live out good second lives.
So what you want to do is keep an eye out for newer second-hand appliances. The benefit of that is that leaps in technology happen every few years in terms of efficiency. The newer the appliance, the more efficient it will be, which means it costs you less to run.
Small appliances such as coffee machines and vacuum cleaners are also great choices, but be cautious of products with batteries such as portable vacuums. They might only run for a few minutes before needing a recharge. If you've got your heart set on one, look for replacement batteries.
Reviews about product performance or reliability will help you find a good deal. If you're about to buy an appliance, our experts recommend you give it a close inspection and a test run. For electronics, be sure that it's being tested and tagged.
Simply keeping the item clean is one of the best ways to keep household items running longer. Minor issues such as broken wheels or door seals can usually be fixed. You can do that yourself, or you can seek out the help from a repair cafe.
Read more at choice.com.au.